Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 93. We are on our way to fix an iPhone 6 white in Las Vegas Village. It's pretty close to us. It's just only like 0.5 miles away. We should be there any minute now. And it's a previous customer that she broke her phone again. Last time she broke the phone, it was in February, and I guess it lasted her like close to 5 months, which is not bad. And a few times I actually went back there and I just gave her a tempered glass just to save her. So that she wouldn't have to break the screen again. So that way she was able to last a little longer than normal, because she dropped her phone a lot. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead right now and repair that phone, and then I will keep you posted of how it goes, and you see how it goes down. So see you guys soon, and that's a cut for now. Hey guys, we just got here, and here's the area. Because it gives you some good memories. Yeah. It kind of gives you a balance. Algorithm going on? I don't know, is it? Yeah, I literally. Hey guys, that was my friend Maury. Her phone we just fixed. It was iPhone 6 Gold. Hey guys, thank you for watching. It's Phon-Er Gold, and I'll be back with the vlog 93 with some more cool footage when it comes its way. Thank you so much. See you guys soon. Peace. Cut.